How to reset edits in FaceApp. Need a clean slate for your photo? Here's how to reset all edits in FaceApp and return to the original image fast and easy. First, launch the FaceApp and either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. Now once you select your photo, try out filters like a smile, eyes, hairstyles or backgrounds. And from here, let me add a background. Okay, once you add a background, tap on apply. Now if you only want to remove a specific filter, retap that filter category. Simply tap on background again. Then from here you can choose the original option inside it. To undo that single change, tap on original and tap on apply. And that's how you reset edits in FaceApp, whether it's one filter or a full transformation. Going back to your original is just a tap away. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and let us know in the comments, do you prefer before or after? And thank you for watching.